Hi guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how to create a clean flawless base on pigmented skin using color correctors. I have some pigmentation around my mouth, a few acne spots on my cheeks and dark circles under my eyes. So I'll walk you through how I tackle each of these areas step by step. Before starting with color correction, understanding color theory is important. Color theory in makeup is based on the color wheel. Opposite colors neutralize each other. Green cancels out redness, orange corrects deep bluish hues, purple helps with yellow pale areas, and yellow neutralizes purple discoloration. Now let's start with correcting the under eye area. A peach or orange corrector is ideal for the under eyes and dark spots. Choose a suitable corrector depending on your skin tone and darkness of your circles. Peach works for fair to medium skin tones, while orange is suitable for deeper skin tones. Apply it directly under the eyes and don't forget the eyelids, then blend out gently. Using the same orange corrector, I'll apply a bit around my mouth to neutralize the darkness there. Next, to cancel out any redness, I'll use a green color corrector, applying it over my pimple and red areas around my cheeks, and blend it well, following the same method as before. I prefer using my fingertips for blending the product into the skin. Once everything is blended, it's important to set it with a light layer of loose powder. This helps lock the corrector in place so it does not mix with the other products. Now, I'm going in with a concealer over the corrected areas to further even out the skin tone. Then I'll apply foundation over my entire face to bring everything together. Now I'm going to show you the difference by applying my base without any color correction on the other half of my face. As you can see, the foundation alone isn't enough to fully cover the pigmentation. Even after layering on some concealer, the dark circles under my eyes are still visible and the spots are peeking through the makeup. Now compare that to the side where I used color correction first. It looks much cleaner, brighter, and more even. The makeup sits better and the overall finish looks more natural. And once I complete a few more steps like blush, mascara and brows, the corrected side looks more polished and put together, while the uncorrected side looks uneven and grey. This really shows how much of a difference proper color correction makes before applying foundation and concealer. And that's how you achieve a flawless color corrected base. I hope this video helped you understand the importance of color correction in makeup and how it can completely transform your skin tone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more makeup tips. See you next time.